Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to only see unread emails in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to only see unread emails in Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone, and after opening your Gmail app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen and this kind of menu will appear, or this kind of panel will appear. Scroll down a little bit and you'll be required to tap on the all mail option or the all mail button over here just below the drafts. Tap on all mail and you'll land on this interface where you'll be able to view all of your mails. Now to see only unread emails in your Gmail, you can see at the top of the screen where I'm tapping or where I'm sliding here, it says all mail from to attachment. Slide it to the more left and you'll be able to find the is unread button over here. Tap on is unread and you will be able to only see unread emails in Gmail by this process guys, because you can see the current selection of mail in our Gmail is of unread, and on this tab guys all of the unread mails will be available for you. And with that being said guys, with this process you will be able to view only unread emails in Gmail. And there guys, this is how to only see unread emails in Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.